Hey everyone, I am Abhinav Negi. Welcome you all on BYJU'S Exam Prep Civil Mechanical YouTube channel. Guys, in this particular session, I will be telling you the ISRO previous year questions for 4 consecutive years for soil mechanics and foundation engineering. I hope you will be enjoying this session. Let me tell you guys that we will be doing the previous year questions, okay? But what will be the benefit of this session? The benefit of this session is that you will be able to know that up to what depths the question can be asked. Okay, you will be able to know that is anything there that can be studied or that has to be studied apart from GATE and engineering service syllabus. So see, whenever you prepare, you don't prepare for previous year questions, you prepare for that upcoming year question. Okay, but previous year question will just give you idea कि वो target क्या है. Okay, कि वो 100 मीटर रेस कितने में भागा था, तो वो just that gives you idea about the depth, about the syllabus, about this. Okay, I'm good. Arun, how is everything in Allahabad? Everyone, fantastic, fantastic. Arun is also here. Guys, keep sharing the video so that more and more commandos can join the session and get benefited. आवाज आ रहा है क्या? Yeah. Oh, voice is perfectly fine. This is about me. My name is Abhinav Negi, having 11 plus years of teaching experience, and I have done my MTech from IIT Delhi in geotechnical engineering. Same thing I am taking in which I have done my MTech. Okay. So, guys, before coming to this, let me tell you one more thing, that out of the 100 marks paper, okay, 80 marks will be the technical, and out of technical 80 also na, that out of this technical 80, let me give you an important update. 80 technical and 20% is non-tech. Non-tech, they will be asking apti, reasoning, data interpretation and all those kinds of questions. Okay, individual cutoff has to be done in both of this. Now, out of this 20 is non-technical. In there, here 80 questions will be asked, plus 1 minus 1 by 3, plus 1 minus 1 by 3, and here it will be 80 questions, but there will be only 50 questions, 1 5. 80 questions here will be only 1 5 question, 15 1 5. Now out of 80, 1/4 will be the allied part, and 3/4 means 60 marks will be pure technical. Pure technical means soil, you can expect structural analysis, RCC, different subjects. I have given you the weightage also, different day. And here 1/4 part, 20 marks part is the allied part. This allied part, students are not knowing what will be asked here. Okay, in this allied part, what will be asked, that students are not knowing. So I am coming with a session also on which the type of questions of allied I will be telling. Allied means the things that are related to civil engineering, like automobile is allied for mechanical engineers, automobile branch. So some questions of automobile can be asked. But an important update, a very, very important update. The earlier notification comes for civil and few seats for electrical and couple of seats for RAC. That comes under civil engineering program office. Okay, civil engineering, very few electrical engineering and couple of seats for RAC related to mechanical. Here the pattern is this. Then 20 days later, 20 or I guess 30 days later, 25 days later, another vacancy come with a huge number of seats for mechanical engineering and some other seats for electronics and computer science. Now here also same pattern, but according to latest update, they have cut this, deleted this for mechanical, EC and CS. Dheeraj sir has made the video also on this. If you see their notification, earlier the notification pattern is exactly like civil engineering, but later on their notification is changed within couple of days, but our notification is still same. Our notification is still same. They have not deleted in the notification, same notification till now for civil engineers. Okay, so what are the questions that can be expected here? I'll be telling you on Saturday 9 PM. Okay guys, have you understood what I said? Allied topic में कौन से क्वेश्चन कराएंगे? टेक्निकल तो नहीं कराऊंगा, एप्टीट्यूड भी नहीं कराऊंगा, है ना? तो अलाइड पे पहले तो मैं रिसर्च करूंगा. गाइस, एवरी वीडियो इफ यू सी मी, देयर विल बी अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च ऑन दैट. सो at present I know some of the allied topics which are related to geomatics and few topics related to the combination of fluid mechanics and little bit of thermodynamics, and few questions which are more related to arithmetic. Apart from that, I have some sources in ISRO. That is why that session I have not taken today. That will be on Saturday 9 p.m. Okay, guys. Kya Mudassir, how is everything in Srinagar? Everyone, Rahul Sosodia from Pune, others, excellent, excellent, excellent. So shall we begin with the questions then? So okay. So this session I will be taking in Saturday, and Saturday, guys, a beautiful video of Nikola Tesla is also coming this day, this time. Okay, in that video you will be getting 12 to 14 minutes video, but in that video, this one, this we are doing today. Best NIT score, it will be Sunday 9 p.m. This will be Sunday 9 p.m. This will be a light topics for civil, Saturday 9 p.m. And this is the 15-minute video in which I put almost 15 to 16 hours. Okay, so let's begin, guys. Okay. Dinner done for everyone? It's raining right now. Okay, Star Mudassir, I was there in 31st of March in Srinagar. Okay, excellent. Sir, I got photo and get to them. Sir, I meet you. Yes, I know, yaar. You are proposing. I give you cash prize also, na? I give you cash prize also. Okay, let's begin. So, yeah, I will tell you about the depth, but first of all, you can judge yourself that what is the depth. What is the depth of ISRO? Then I will tell you safe score also. The foundation in which cantilever beam is provided among the two footings. That is, tell me in the comment box. Let me check that which student gives the fastest answer. Let me check that which student gives the fastest answer, guys. Come on, everyone. And I am not Rajinikanth. This question is asked here in 2018. In different year, a different question can be asked. So I will be telling you about the different options also. Here it is strap footing. There is a footing here. Okay, and here is a one more footing, and they are joined by like this. Okay, they are joined by like that. That is strap footing. So that differential settlement should not be there. They act as a single unit. But what is raft? What is combined? What is strip footing? Raft footing is, please see here. Suppose here is the plan of footing, and there are the columns. There are the columns that has to be laid. Now this column has this footing, this column has this footing, this column has this isolated. Isolated means one column, one footing. Isolated means one column, one footing, one boyfriend, one girlfriend. Now, suppose the whole area is something and more than 50% area is occupied by the individual footing. More than 50% area is occupied by the individual footing. So instead of making footing every time, make a combined concrete ki chaddar. Make a combined concrete raft. Okay, make a combined concrete raft in a one go. Make a combined concrete, pour the concrete hole. Why to do every time if more than 50% area is occupied? There we use raft, or a particular area, this one, this particular area is very weak. Okay, soil is not bearable, so put a raft, because this raft is transferring the load for the whole area, not for particular. There we use raft. Combined footing. Combined footing is again like this is the footing, and here one column is like this. So the footing of this column may go like this. So this neighbor will beat you. So these two columns make a combined footing like this. Strip footing means when length is greater than 5 times of width. For this, B is the correct answer. Now, guys, we have done 4 questions here. Okay. So give me yes or no. Give me yes or no, everyone. Give me yes or no. Okay. Now, the question number 2, everyone. The ratio of volume of water in a given mass to the volume of voids. Volume of water by volume of voids, everybody can tell that the answer will be S. That is the saturation. D is the correct answer. Now listen my doubt. This is a PYQ. Now listen my doubt. What I have doubt here. I have a doubt here that suppose this is a dry soil, solid air. Then I put water, solid, little bit water, this air. This is partially saturated. Then full water, this is W. Now super saturated state. Okay. So here S is 0. Here S is 0 to 1. Here S is 1. What is S here? This is my question. This is my question. What is S there? Here S is 0. Here S is equal to 0. Here S is 0 to 1. Here S is equal to 1. What is S here? That is my question to the each Kamanjo in the comment box. What is S there? Everybody, come on guys, keep sharing, everyone, please let me know. Keep sharing guys. S is equal to 1. Here also S is equal to 1 because this is volume of water and the same thing is volume of voids also. This is volume of water and same thing is volume of voids also. So S is equal to 1. Now let me tell you a new term. Here it is called partially saturated soil, but in recent years a new name has been evolved, that is partially dry. If this is partial water, then it is partially air also, na? So new name has been given. Okay. Now porosity, you know, volume of voids by total volume. Void ratio, you know, volume of voids by volume of solid. Percentage air voids means volume of air by total volume, but here the answer will be D. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What is the consistency index? What is the consistency index? Everybody on the comment section, please let me know your answers. Everybody on the comment section, please let me know your answer. Complete soil plus foundation will be done here. So consistency index is equal to WL minus W upon WL minus WP upon WL minus WP. Liquid limit is minus natural water content upon the plasticity index of soil. Now what is the significance of this? इससे करते क्या है? इससे करते क्या है? What will be the use of this? What will be the use of this? Guys, if IC is less than 0, if IC is less than 0, consistency index is less than 0, that means this numerator is negative. That means the natural water content is greater than liquid limit. That means soil is in liquid state. Soil is in liquid state. Okay, soil here is in liquid state. So how much IC will be lesser? How much IC will be lesser? More will be the W and more soil will be liquid. If IC is greater, positive value and a much larger magnitude, that means W lesser, that means it is hard, that means it is brittle. Okay. Okay. Hello संदीप जानी सर. सर इसरो कितने एग्जाम का होता है टोटल? वो शुरू में बताया, थोड़ा पीछे देखोगे तो पूरा बताया है मैंने. ओके, और बहुत सारी और वीडियो बनाई है 100 मार्क्स का. आई गेस यू आर स्टूडेंट एंड यू हैव नेम ऑफ सर. ओके, आपने सर का नाम ले रखा है. ओके, वेरी गुड सर संदीप सर. ओके, now let's move to the next question. Everyone, fast guys. The angle of internal flexion is least for, guys, phi is equal to 0 for pure clays. Reason? What is the reason? Because the shape of clay is flaky. The shape of clay is flaky, very smooth like the skin of Alia Bhatt, very flaky. Okay, so friction is very less, the hindrance is very less when they move across each other. For sand, the shape is angular. So when they move each other, they are interlocking between the roughness. So phi is not there, 0. But for clay, as it is very smooth, so phi will be 0 for clay. Okay. Next, move to the next question. Failure of slope, anybody can tell. Failure of slope occurs when total shear force is greater than the shear strength. When shear strength is more than the shear force, there will be failure, obviously. Okay, guys, we have different papers also. The compression resulting from long-term static load and consequent escape of more water is called as consolidation. Why long-term? Why long-term? Because water permeability is very less. Water permeability is very less. It is squeezed out very slow, long-term. And when air goes, that is very instantaneous, that is compaction. A partially saturated soil is called as three-phase soil. Okay, solid, water, air, that is called a three-phase soil. Okay, let's move to the next question. Coefficient of uniformity is greater than 6 and 8 for sand and gravel and others. So it is greater than 5. Okay, the water content of soil with the soil volume becomes constant. Okay, actually this is the wrong question. Nobody, I cannot tell this. I cannot tell this answer. This is a wrong question. This is water content and here is volume. Now up to shrinkage limit, volume is constant, then it increases, because here what is happening, solid and air, then more water is coming, so instead of air the water is coming, at one time all is filled with air. So this is called, like, after this, if more water is added, volume changes. Now what the question is asked, the water content of soil at which soil volume becomes constant. So constant is for this whole region, yaar. Nobody can tell the answer. Even for zero also, zero water content, it is constant. So absolutely wrong question. Nobody can tell this. And when these kind of questions will be asked, so instead of 100, the paper will be evaluated from 99 marks. Or two questions are wrong, it will be evaluated from 98 marks. So content of soil at which or below which should be there. Less than which or below which it should be constant, then it will be shrinkage limit. Got it? Got it? Soon we are coming to the different years. A soil sample is partially saturated. Okay. And the natural moisture content W was given as 0.22. Okay, sir. Got it, sir. Bulk density rho T is equal to 2 gram per cc. Okay. The water density is 1 gram per cc. Specific gravity is 2.65. Okay. The void ratio of the sample is asked. Okay. So now from here what we know, that rho T is equal to G plus SE into 1 plus E into rho W. How many equations? Rho T is known, G is known, rho W is known, S and E are not known. Another equation, SE is equal to WG. W is known, G is known, two equations, two unknown. Two equations, two unknown, everybody can find this. Whatever the answer is coming, anybody can find it. Now I will do calculator, I will not want to waste your time. So it will be SC is equal to WG. Got it or not? Everybody on the comment section, please let me know the answer. Have you got it? Two equations, two answer. Have you got it? Two equations, two answer. Rho T is this. In whole thing, everything is given, only S and E are not given. SE is equal to WG, everything is given, S and E are not given. So from here, this will be the answer. Okay. So guys, I am again telling, we have not done. We have various other years also. So this will be Sunday 9 p.m. This will be Sunday 9 p.m. and this is the, guys, where for 12-minute video I have put my 12 to 18 hours. For a 12-minute video I put 12 to 18 hours. Okay, see that beautiful video of Nikola Tesla. And what are the questions that can be asked in a light? Very, very important. Very, very important, because everybody knows technical. Everybody knows the maths. But what will be the light? That I'll be telling you, okay, on Saturday 9 p.m. Now ISRO PYQ of 2013, guys. I guess this you have not done. Neither in app, not in YouTube. Now 2013 comes, guys. 2013 comes. I will tell you the safe score also at the end. At the end, I'll be telling you the safe score as well. Everybody, this question. A cohesive soil yields a maximum dry density, that is gamma D max is 18 kilonewton per meter cube. 18 kilonewton per meter cube. During a standard Proctor compaction test, if the specific gravity is 2.65, the specific gravity is 2.65, what would be its void ratio? Void ratio is asked. And if ever in any subject, I'm not talking of soil mechanics only or foundation, any subject, if gravity value is not given, you have to take it 9.81, not 10. Gamma W, you have to take it 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube, not 10. But here it is mentioned as 10, so you will be taking it as 10 kilonewton per meter cube. Okay. Now what they are saying, void ratio. So gamma D is equal to G gamma W 1 plus E. This is given, this is given. Okay, this is given, this is asked. So anybody can find this. What is the answer coming? People plus here. Everyone please let me know. Guys, is it coming B? Is it coming B? Is it coming B? Please let me know on the comment section. Please let me know on the comment section. Please let me know on the comment section. Okay, now next question. A footing 2 meter into 1 meter exerts a uniform pressure of 150 kilonewton per meter square. Okay, so there is a footing and the dimension here is 2 meter into 1 meter, 2 meter into 1 meter, 2 meter into 1 meter, and it has a pressure of 150 kilonewton per meter square. So what will be the load? 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 150 into area. So area is 2 into 1. Area is 2 into 1. So it will be 150 kilonewton. 150 into 2 into 1. So here the load is 300 kilonewton. Have you got it? Okay. Now the load dispersion is 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. Load is dispersing here. 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. Load is dispersion here, 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal. The average vertical stress at 1 meter below the footing. The average vertical stress at 1 meter below the footing. Let this be 1 meter. Let this be 1 meter. I am taking this dimension as 2 meter. Okay. 1 meter का बाद में देख लेंगे. 1 meter is the perpendicular direction which is perpendicular to the board. 1 meter is that. This is 1 meter which is perpendicular to the board. Got it, everyone? Okay. Now, what is this value? 2 meter. Now see, what is 2 vertical is to 1 horizontal? When it is going 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. But in our case, it is going only how much vertical? 1. We have to go only 1 vertical. For 1 vertical, how much it will be going? For 2 vertical, 1 horizontal. For 1 vertical, 1 horizontal. So for 1 vertical, we are going as 0.5 horizontal. For 1 vertical, it is going 0.5 horizontal. Okay. So this is 0.5 and this is also 0.5. Okay. So what is stress? Force by area. What is stress? Force by area. Stress it is asked. So it is force by area. So from here, stress 1 meter below is equal to force by area. So force is 300 kilonewton. In answer is asked kilonewton per meter square. So leave it kilonewton. Area. So area there is 2 and 0.5 and 0.5 is increased. Area is 2 here and it is increased by 0.5 and 0.5. Similarly, in that direction, perpendicular to the board, in that direction which is perpendicular to the board, it is 1. Similarly, 0.5 and 0.5, there it will increase. Similarly, there also it will increase 0.5, 0.5. So it is 3 into 2, 6. So 300 by 6 is 50. 300 by 6 is 50. That is A option. That is A option. Yeah, Arun, it was correct, na? Arun, it was correct, na? Have you got it? Have you got it? Okay. The earth pressure at rest is proportional to the earth pressure. What is the value of K naught? What is the value of K naught? It is 1 minus sin phi. K naught is 1 minus sin phi. Got it? If everybody give me yes or no. Okay. The slope of E log P for a soil mass gives. Okay, here is the void ratio and here is log sigma bar. Here is a E and it is log sigma bar. Okay, so this graph is linear. This graph is linear. So here the slope is Cc, that is coefficient of compression index, coefficient of compressibility. Got it? Got it? Everyone? Okay. Which one of the following condition is valid in case of unconfined compression test? Unconfined compression test. Unconfined means there is no confinement. Nobody is holding the sample. That means sigma 3 is 0. That means sigma 3 is 0. And that is why whatever the load it comes for failure, it is also called as compressive strength, UCS. Unconfined, sigma 3 0, compressive strength. That is why this is called as unconfined. Nobody is confining it. Nobody is applying sigma 3. Unconfined compression test. Okay. So from here the minor principal stress is 0. And this value is, and why this is used for clay only? Why not for sand? Can anybody tell me? Why this is used for sand only? Why this is used for, why this is used for clay only? Why this is used for clay only? This is used for clay only because the sand sample has not cohesion. Sand sample has not cohesion. It cannot stand erect. It cannot stand erect without any confinement. Clay has cohesion. It has particles bonding. Okay, so even without confinement, it can stand erect. Got it? Okay. Toughness. Toughness is IP by IF. Many times I derived this also. Plasticity index to flow index. 2015 this is asked. And you can see here, the questions are quite easy. Okay, one liner. Even in 99% questions, no calculator allowed. Even if you can solve these questions in 1 minute, you can solve 3 to 4 or 5 questions also. Okay, the clay mineral with largest swelling and shrinkage characteristic is montmorillonite. This is the mineral. It is formed by which bonding? Okay, the weakest bond is here. The weakest bond is here, van der Waals forces. So when there is a weakest bond between two particles, somebody can come in between and it can separate. Okay. When there is a weakest bond, van der Waals, somebody can come and it can separate like this. Got it, guys? Everyone, please let me know on the comment section. Okay. So guys, this is the session we have done. Now for NIT counseling, and is NIT worth or not? Is NIT worth? That also is the first point now. Before going to the counseling, is NIT worth doing a MTech? That I'll be telling you at Sunday 9 PM. Is NIT worth? We'll take a different session. Okay. Now Nikola Tesla, this is the video, guys, that I have put a lot of effort to make you inspire. This will be Super Saturday this time. Okay, where I'll be telling you the Rahasyamoy Vaigyanik, Nikola Tesla. Okay, once Einstein, somebody asked, a reporter asked to Einstein, how you feel on becoming the greatest scientist on the earth? Einstein replied, you're asking the question to the wrong person, you should ask Nikola Tesla. Okay, and this Saturday 9 PM about the allied part of ISRO. Okay, some more questions are there. Liquid limit is 32, plastic WL is equal to 32, plastic limit is equal to 18, shrinkage limit is equal to 8, and natural moisture content is 22%. What will be its liquidity index? What will be its liquidity index and plastic index? So what is plastic index? Plastic index is WL minus WP. Plastic index is WL minus WP. So from here the value is 14. So of course only one option. Even I don't know what is the liquidity index, or what is another is called, what will the liquidity index if I don't know? What if I don't know the liquidity index also, then also my answer will be correct, because here comes 14. because here comes 14. So what is IL? What is IL? What is IL? See, IC I just told you is WL minus W upon WL minus WP. Liquidity index is 1 minus IC. So let me check you the value of IC. WL 32 minus 22 upon WL minus WP is 14. Okay, so from here it is 10 by 14. From here the value is 10 by 14. Okay, so it is equal to 1 minus 10 by 14. So it is 4 by 14. So 4 by 14, the value is coming how much? Value is coming how much? It is something coming around 0.285. Okay, Arun, good. Excellent. Now, a cohesive soil yields a maximum dry density of 18 kilonewton per meter cube. Gamma D max is equal to 18 kilonewton per meter cube during a standard Proctor compaction test. If the specific gravity is 2.65, what is the void ratio? What is the void ratio? Gamma D is equal to G gamma W upon 1 plus E. In this expression, gamma D is known, G is known, gamma W is not given. You will be taking 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. From here you can find out the value of E. Yes, ये उसको करके वही तो आएगा यार, उसको करके वही तो आएगा. Okay, excellent. Now moving further, effective stress is the contact force between the particles. Effective force is good, Shahid. Effective force is contact between the particles. If we compress the soil, contact pressure will be more. Contact pressure will be more. So effective stress increases, but when we compress the soil, contact force between the particles increases, but the voids decreases. Increases effective stress on soil, increase void ratio. There should be increase in effective stress on soil. Okay, decrease the void ratio, and once the decrease in voids, the permeability will also be decreased. Once it is decreased in the void ratio, permeability will also be decreased. Once it is decreased in void ratio, permeability will also be decreased. Okay, now next question. This take as a homework here, or do it right now only. Do it right now. This is a good question. TV for one soil, let me tell you for clay A. TV for clay A is equal to CV into T by D square. Okay, CV into T by D square. Now clay B. Okay, the same thickness with double drainage. So here also TV is equal to CV into T by D square. Got it? This is clay with A layer with single drainage, and it takes 6 months. So this is single drainage and it takes 6 months. So T here is 6, and actually here it is D by 2 because it's double drainage. So it will be D by 2 square. This is D by 2 square. B of the same thickness, same thickness with double drainage. Yes, so D by 2, and this is CV by 2. Here also it is C by 2, so 0.5, that will be CV by 2. Now you divide both of these expressions. Now what you do, CV into T and divide by 2. Now you divide TV will be same, because why? Because TV depends on percent of consolidation. So both cases it is 50%. Okay, so from CV to CV you divide. These expressions you will be dividing. So what will be T? Please tell me what will be the T. Everybody please let me know. easy है यार, ISRO बहुत easy है. SSC JEE और ISRO में the only difference between SSC JEE and ISRO, that database questions are not coming in ISRO. That's it. In a single statement I can define the level of ISRO, that the only difference between SSC JEE and ISRO exam is that the toughness is same, the depth is same, the time taken for each question is same, The only difference is they are not asking database question. All questions are more realistic to conceptual based or formula based. Tell me how much it is coming. How much it is coming? How much it is coming? Three, I guess, है ना? Please check. Okay, so guys, this is the free workshop by Dheeraj sir. How to secure All India Rank 100 in GATE 2024. How to secure All India Rank under 100 in GATE 2024. This will be on 6th of June at 7:30 p.m. This will be 6th of June at 7:30 p.m. the free workshop on BYJU'S exam prep app. Similarly, the scholarship test will be on 4th of June, that is Sunday. Okay, 90% scholarship you will be awarded if you get the highest marks, or few of the highest students will be getting up to 90%, then 80%, then 70%, and like that. Even if you don't want to take the scholarship, even if you don't want to enroll in the courses, you can give this test because it's free of cost. You can check your performance on the All India level. Now guys, one more series we are coming from 5th of June, that is last 5 years previous year questions. 2018 to 2019 to 23, all PYQ guys, complete means 100%. Okay, so 19 to 23, okay, for civil and mechanical both, 2019 23 both sets, MCQ, MSQ, NAT, everything. So this is the session I've just taken. This will be on Sunday. This will be on Sunday 9 p.m. This will be Saturday 9 p.m. and this will be the super Saturday, the beautiful session. You can see the video here, you will enjoy it like anything. And one more session I'll be coming is NIT of Worth. Okay, so this is a super Saturday. You can join also in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. Okay, you can also join me in my Telegram group, Civil by Abhinav Sir. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please let me know in the comment box what more sessions you want. Thank you everybody. Take care. Thank you all.